Learn English with simple questions. Simple answers. Provide answers to the following questions.
Use complete sentences. Example.
What is the color of the sky on a clear day?
The sky is blue. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. What is the largest animal in the ocean? The largest animal in the ocean is the blue whale. What is the shape of the earth? The earth is round. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. How many legs does a spider have? A spider has 8 legs. How many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. How many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons in a year. How many fingers do humans have on one hand? Humans have 5 fingers on one hand. How many wheels does a bicycle have? A bicycle has 2 wheels. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. What do bees make? Bees make honey.
Keep practicing and you'll be even better.